The final example here I have for this section is selected right out of your textbook. So if you want to pause this and get your textbook open, I'm not sure, but it's on page 363, number 48. Again, it's a log equation. It's not much different than the previous problems, but it is different in the fact that it's got logs on the left and logs on the right. That really doesn't change our first step at all. Okay, so our first step actually is to put these expressions together into one log expression. So we use the quotient property, quotient rule for that. So quotient property, quotient rule, or whatever I called it in the previous section. Now you're going to notice that we have a logarithm, log base 3 of something on the left, log base 3 of something on the right. Well, we can cancel those off. Log base 3 of something equals log base 3 of something. So we can basically just imagine those aren't there. That only works because both of them are the same. Okay, the log base 3 has to match the log base 3 exactly, so you can cancel them off. Now we got rid of all the logs, we got rid of all the logarithms, and it's just an equation to solve. So I'm going to multiply both sides to get rid of the fraction. These cancel off. That gives you x plus 14 equals x squared plus 6x when you distribute over there. It is a quadratic, so we're going to get this into standard form. Get it equal to 0 basically. And if you prefer to use the quadratic formula, you can do that. But again, most of these are going to factor. When you do this assignment, if you have to deal with a quadratic, I'll tell you right now, most of them will be factorable. Okay, so this one factors into x plus 7 times x minus 2. That gives us our two possible answers of x equals negative 7 and x equals 2. And try to remember that when you're solving log equations, we can't have a negative answer, can't have a negative solution. We can't put negative 7 into this original equation because it'll give us a log of a negative number. A negative number is not part of the domain. So this one just has one solution, x equals 2. That's it.